Hi everybody, my name is Caroline. In this video I'm doing an unboxing and setup of my Echo Dot 3rd generation, and then I'm going to compare it to the Echo Dot 2nd generation. Let's get started. Let's start with an unboxing of the Echo Dot. Now the first thing you're going to realize is the box is significantly larger for the 3rd generation than the 2nd generation box. It is a larger device that you'll find inside, and here it is. I opted for the gray Echo Dot. That's what it looks like out of the box. And then let's see what else is in here. So there's your literature documentation right here, and then I think there's a power cord down here. Yes, there is a dedicated power cord. This is interesting. It says 15 watts right here, and it is a regular plug. I'm gonna plug in this Echo Dot, and then we're gonna get it set up right now. Right off the bat, the biggest difference I'm noticing about the 3rd generation Echo Dot to the 2nd generation Echo Dot is the plugs. Now, the 2nd generation Echo Dot came with a USB wall plug and a micro USB cable. So this is USB, it plugged in like this, and then you plugged micro USB into your Echo Dot. This one is one cable. It is a plug. It's much larger than the previous plug, and it is a round plug, not a micro USB. Now we're going to plug in the round plug into our power source. Let's get that plugged in right now. Both my Echo Dots are powering up. This one is already set up. I set this up in a previous video. I'm going to set up the Echo Dot 3rd gen today, and I will do a screen record. Now, while these are getting set up, I want to address the #1 question I get on my YouTube channel, which is, how do I pair my Echoes to each other? How do I pair it to a Fire Stick, Fire TV Stick? There is no pairing between Echoes or between a Fire TV Stick and an Echo. Everything just needs to be logged in to the same account.
Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
There it goes. Okay, I'm going to put this one on mute. I'll take a minute to say this is your reminder to please put your devices on mute, as I will be saying the wake word frequently in this video. Now let's get this set up. But essentially, everything needs to be set up on one account. The Amazon account that you shop with is the account that you want to put on these devices. So I'll show you how to do that right now. I'm going to start a screen record, and I'm going to get started by going to my mobile device, my smartphone. I'm going to hit the Amazon app here, Amazon Alexa app here. I'm going to start up my app, and they do change these menus quite frequently. And yes, it gives me a home screen. I'm going to hit the bottom right-hand corner, the little house, and now I can see all of my devices. I'm going to press the plus button in the upper right-hand corner, and I'm going to add a device. And it says, what kind of device am I setting up? I'm setting up an Amazon Echo. And it asks me, what kind of Echo am I setting up? I'm setting up an Echo Dot. Which Echo Dot? I'm going to set up a 3rd generation Echo Dot. And now it is searching for my Amazon Echo. Okay, I think it found it, available devices. And then I'm going to set it up on my Wi-Fi network. And I've selected my Wi-Fi network, and it is connecting with the Echo Dot. And it is now connected. Okay, I'm going to tap continue.
Your device is ready.
Okay, excellent. Okay, turn the volume up here. And now I've got choices. Now, connect to an auxiliary cable is my first choice. I made a video about that a while back ago, how to connect it and what cable you needed to connect it to your home theater system. I will link to that below if you're looking for that video. Bluetooth speaker, you can connect it wirelessly with a Bluetooth speaker, or you can use the speaker that's already built in. I'm going to choose built-in speaker. And then it asks me what room my Echo Dot is in. I'm going to say the kitchen. I'm going to hit continue. And now we've returned to the home screen, so I believe this is ready now. I'm going to stop the screen record, and I'm going to say, Alexa, are you online?
I am connected to the internet.
Okay, and I have completed setting up my Echo Dot third generation. I didn't connect these two devices together. I actually have a series of 6 videos I've already done on managing multiple Echoes. So if you have more than one of these in your home, tips and tricks that you can do with that, I will link to that playlist below. But this is just going to be a comparison of the 2nd generation with the 3rd generation Echo Dot. Now let's test out the sound. Alexa, set volume to 6. All right, so I've set the volume to 6. I'm going to say, Alexa, play The Only Girl.
The Only Girl, from your library, starting now, on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. I'm going to put this one on mute now, the 3rd generation on mute. I'm going to take the 2nd generation, perform the same action. Alexa, set volume to 6. Alexa, play The Only Girl.
Playing The Only Girl, from your library, on Amazon Music.
I set them both to the volume of 6. The Echo 3rd generation was significantly louder to my ears sitting right here than the 2nd generation Echo Dot. I believe that the speakers are in a different place. I believe that the speakers are down here on the Echo Dot, and I believe they're all the way around on the 3rd generation. I believe that is one of the biggest differences. The microphones are on top here, and I believe the microphones are on top of the 3rd generation. Otherwise, I believe that these two function the same. You have the same commands, the same jokes, I can say. And as I've shown in my How to Manage Multiple Echoes, if you have 2 echoes on the same account and they both hear you, only one will respond. Let's see which one responds to me. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Actually, my friend Jimmy Fallon wants to tell a joke. Let's give him a shot.
What did the horse say to the scarecrow? Hey!
So what do you think? Should I let Jimmy tell the jokes for a while?
Yes.
Okay, Jimmy will tell the jokes for a while. But remember, if you ever miss me, just say, I miss your jokes.
Echo Dot 3rd generation picked up my voice, and the Echo Dot 2nd generation actually is really good at picking my voice before this one came along. You know, comparing size-wise, I would say that the 3rd generation is significantly bigger than the 2nd generation. I'm going to just leave it here. I think the functionality is the same, but I think this one has more powerful speakers, is louder, picks up my voice really well. I'm really excited to get the 3rd generation. It's not powered by USB as this one is. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.